Here's some important information for anyone who's applying to the Middle Institute's Crossroads Emerging Leaders Program. The deadline is the 30th of June 2018. Read the instructions. It's really important to do this, and you can find them on our website. First, you must create an XID using this link. Use your email address as your login ID. When you've registered, you will receive an email. If you follow its instructions closely, you should have a working XID. Create a new password. Wait for 24 hours. Then you use your XID to register on the Carrot application system using this link. A couple of important tips. When it asks you for a visa type, write NA. Enter all the required information. Now, having registered successfully on Carrot, you can apply to Crossroads. The link is on the instructions. Remember that it is your responsibility to make sure all the requested materials have been submitted, including the letters of recommendation. If you still have questions after reading the instructions and the FAQs, you can email hucrossroads@gmail.com.